How to activate Tello eSIM. Let's get started. First, head to the official Tello website and purchase your eSIM plan. Once your order is complete, log into your account to get the QR code for activation. Before continuing, make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. This is crucial, especially if you're activating the eSIM from outside the US. Now go to settings on your phone, tap cellular or mobile data, then select add cellular plan. Scan the QR code you received from Tello. Now enable Wi-Fi calling by logging into your Tello account and entering your E911 address. This step is required for making calls over Wi-Fi. Once that's done, check your phone settings. You should now see Tello as your carrier. Try sending a text or making a call over Wi-Fi to confirm it's working, and that's it. Your Tello eSIM is now active and ready to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.